ready to finally speak English with confidence. But
we created this podcast to help you do just that. Welcome, everyone.
Zack, say this word. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Good. One more time.
Comfortable.
Perfect. You see that? You just trained your mouth.
I did? That's it?
That's the beginning. Welcome, everyone, to Easily Speak English. I'm Maya.
And I'm Zack, and today I am training my mouth, apparently.
Yes, you are. And so is everyone listening right now.
Oh, good. We are all training together. I like that.
Today we are talking about something very real, something every English learner knows. You study English, you know the words in your head, but when you try to say them, they don't come out right.
Oh, yes. This happens to me every day. I know the word. I can see the word in my brain, but my mouth says something different.
Exactly. Your brain knows English, but your mouth doesn't know English yet.
My mouth is a little behind.
Yes, your mouth is a little behind, but today we are going to fix that.
I'm ready. My mouth is ready.
Before we start, if you are new here, welcome to Easily Speak English. Please subscribe. We make new episodes every week just for you. Okay, let's talk about mouths.
Let's talk about mouths.
Okay, Zack, tell me something. When you were a baby, did you speak perfectly on day one?
On day one? No!
I said nothing. I just cried. Yes. And then slowly, day by day, you learned to make sounds, then words, then sentences.
Yes, it took a long time.
How long?
Years. Many years.
Exactly. Years. And nobody said, "Baby Zack, your pronunciation is wrong. Baby Zack, you made a mistake."
No. They said, "Oh, how cute. Look at him talking."
Yes, because making mistakes is how you learn to speak. Not just in your first language, in every language.
So, I need to be like a baby again?
A little bit, yes.
I can do that. I am very good at being a baby.
I believe you. But here is the important thing. Your mouth is a muscle, like your arm, like your leg.
My mouth is a muscle?
Yes, and a muscle needs practice. A muscle needs exercise. If you never use it, it stays weak.
So, if I never speak English, my English mouth muscle stays weak?
Exactly. And if you only study English, reading, writing, listening, but never speak, your brain learns, but your mouth doesn't.
Oh, that is why I know English in my head, but it doesn't come out of my mouth.
Yes, that is exactly why. Your mouth needs its own practice, separate practice, speaking practice.
I never thought about it like that. My mouth needs exercise? Like going to the gym?
Yes, English gym for your mouth.
I like this idea. English mouth gym. Okay, I'm going to the gym. What do I do first?
I have 3 exercises for you today.
3 exercises. Okay, I am ready. My mouth is ready.
Listeners, are you ready too? Write ready in the comments right now. Let's go.
Exercise 1. Shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the floor?
Not exactly. Shadowing means you listen to English and you repeat the same words immediately after. You copy the sounds, you copy the rhythm, you copy everything.
Like an echo?
Yes, exactly like an echo. Very good, Zack.
Thank you. I know what an echo is.
So, for example, I say a sentence and you repeat it right after me. Ready?
Ready.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
Good. The weather is very nice today.
The weather is very nice today.
Excellent. See, that is shadowing. And right now, our listeners can do this too. Pause this episode. Repeat every sentence we say. Copy our voices,
copy our sounds.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
Why is shadowing good? What does it do for my mouth?
Great question. When you shadow, 3 things happen. First, your mouth learns the shapes of English sounds. Second, your brain connects the sound to the meaning. Third, the words start to feel natural in your mouth. Not strange, natural.
So I do it many times and slowly the words feel comfortable?
Exactly. Comfortable. Remember that word from the beginning?
Yes, comfortable. I can say it now. Comfortable.
See? Your mouth learned it in 5 minutes.
Wow, it really works.
And the best thing about shadowing, you can do it anywhere. On the bus, in the kitchen, walking in the park. Just listen and repeat.
Can I shadow this podcast?
Yes, please shadow this podcast. That is perfect practice.
Listeners, we give you permission. Repeat everything we say. Copy Maya's voice, copy my voice, even my mistakes. Maybe copy my voice more. Maya's voice. Copy Maya's voice, everyone.
Okay, exercise 2.
Exercise 2.
Exercise 2. Talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Like, out loud?
Yes, out loud in English.
But people will think I am strange.
Maybe, but your English will get very good.
Okay, that is a good trade. Strange, but good English.
I can do that.
Here's how it works. You are alone, at home, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, anywhere. And you just speak English about what you see, about what you do, about what you think.
Like what? Give me an example.
Okay, imagine you are making breakfast. You say, I am making eggs. The eggs are yellow. They smell good. I am hungry. This is a good breakfast.
That's it?
That's it. Simple sentences, easy words, about what is happening right now.
I can do that. Right now, I am sitting in a chair. The chair is comfortable. I am talking to Maya. Maya is explaining things. I am learning.
Perfect. Exactly that.
That was easy.
Yes, because you are not trying to be perfect. You're just speaking. And every time you speak, even alone, your mouth gets more practice. Your mouth gets stronger.
So it doesn't matter if my grammar is wrong?
It doesn't matter right now. Right now, speaking is more important than perfection.
Speaking is more important than perfection. I like that. Can I write that down?
Please do. And listeners, you write that down too. Speaking is more important than perfection.
Can I add something, Maya?
Yes, please.
I think many people, they are afraid to speak because they think my English is not good enough. My grammar is wrong. My accent is wrong. So they say nothing.
Yes. And what happens then?
Nothing. Their English stays the same because they never practice speaking.
Exactly. Silence does not teach your mouth anything. Only speaking teaches your mouth.
Silence does not teach your mouth anything. That is a very important sentence.
Write it in the comments. Silence does not teach your mouth anything. Tell us, do you agree?
I agree 100%. Okay, what is exercise 3? I'm excited now.
Exercise 3. Slow down.
Slow down? That is the exercise?
Yes, when you speak English, slow down.
But I want to sound fluent. Fluent people speak fast.
Actually, that is not true. Good speakers speak clearly, not always fast.
Really?
Think about this. When you speak too fast in English, what happens?
I make more mistakes. I forget words. My pronunciation gets worse.
Yes. And the person listening, do they understand you?
No. They say, sorry? Can you say that again?
Exactly.
Fast and unclear, or slow and clear? Which is better?
Slow and clear? Obviously.
So when you practice speaking, speak slowly. Very slowly if you need to. Give your mouth time to find each word. Give your brain time to build each sentence.
And then later, when my mouth knows the words, it gets faster naturally?
Yes! Speed comes with practice. You cannot force it. First, slow and correct. Then, slow and comfortable. Then, natural speed.
It's like driving a car. First, you drive very slowly. You look at everything. You are careful. Then later, you drive without thinking.
That is a perfect comparison, Zack.
Thank you. Sometimes I have good ideas.
Sometimes. Hey! Ha, I'm joking. Always, Zack. You always have good ideas.
Thank you, Maya. Okay, so slow down. I can do that. Actually, I think I do the opposite. When I am nervous, I speak faster.
Yes, most people do. Because they want to finish quickly. They want the nervous feeling to stop.
Exactly.
I want it to be over. But the faster you go, the worse it gets. So next time you feel nervous speaking English, take a breath, slow down, one word at a time. One word at a time. One word at a time. There is no hurry. I will remember that. One word at a time. There is no hurry. Listeners, try this right now. Say this.
Okay, let's put everything together. We have 3 exercises. Zack, can you say them?
Yes! Exercise 1, shadowing. I listen and repeat. I copy the sounds. I copy the rhythm.
Perfect.
Exercise 2, talk to yourself. Out loud. In English. Simple sentences about what I see, what I do, what I think.
Excellent.
Exercise 3, slow down. Speak slowly. One word at a time. There is no hurry.
Very good, Zack. You remembered everything.
I am learning. My mouth is learning.
Now, here is one more important thing. How much time do you need every day?
1 hour? 2 hours?
No,
30 minutes?
less.
20?
Less.
10 minutes?
Yes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes every day is enough.
Only 10 minutes?
10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Sunday.
Why?
Because your mouth needs regular practice, like a muscle. You don't go to the gym one time and become strong. You go every day, a little every day.
A little every day. Not a lot one day.
Exactly. 10 minutes of shadowing, or 10 minutes talking to yourself, or 10 minutes speaking slowly about your day. That is enough. That is good practice.
10 minutes? I can do 10 minutes. Even on a bad day. Even on a tired day.
Even on a tired day, yes.
Okay. I am making a promise. 10 minutes every day. Starting today.
Starting today.
Listeners, make this promise with me. 10 minutes every day. Starting today. Write, I promise, in the comments if you are ready.
We will be watching the comments. We want to see your promises. And tell us, which exercise are you going to try first? Shadowing? Talking to yourself? Or slowing down? I really want to know which one feels most natural to you.
Maya, can I say something before we finish?
Of course.
I think many English learners, they are too hard on themselves. They think, my English is bad. My accent is wrong. I will never be good.
Yes, I hear this a lot.
But today I learned your mouth just needs practice. It's not about talent. It's not about being smart. It's about practice. Every day. A little.
That's
Beautifully said, Zack.
Thank you. My mouth is getting better at English sentences.
It really is.
So, listeners, please be kind to yourself. Your mouth is learning. Your brain is learning. Every day you are getting better, even when it doesn't feel like it.
Even when it doesn't feel like it. Yes, that is so true.
Okay, I feel very motivated right now. I am going to go talk to my coffee.
Perfect practice.
Hello, coffee. How are you today? You look very hot and very brown.
That is excellent English, Zack.
Thank you. My coffee says thank you too.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for spending this time with us at Easily Speak English. If today helped you even a little, please give this video a like. It helps us so much. Share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to Easily Speak English for a new episode every single week.
And remember, your mouth is a muscle. Train it every day. A little is enough. You are doing better than you think.
Take care of yourselves, and we will see you next time.
Bye, everyone. My mouth will miss you.
Remember, the most important thing is just to keep practicing every day. You'll be speaking English easily in no time.